In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sam's Club online. Open your web browser and search for Sam's Club. In the results, look for the official listing titled Sam's Club Wholesale Prices on Top Brands and click it. That will take you to the main homepage where you'll see the familiar logo, the search bar across the top, and featured deals. If you already have a specific item in mind, head straight to the search bar at the top of the page. Type the name of the product you're looking for and press enter. Being specific, like including a brand, size, or flavor, can help narrow things down. On the results page, you can quickly scan prices and ratings. If you see a perfect match, click the item to open its details and make sure it's exactly what you want. If you'd rather just browse, start on the home page, scroll down to explore the popular items section for trending picks and member favorites. This is a great way to discover essentials or seasonal finds without having to search. Keep scrolling to see more collections and categories, and click into anything that catches your eye to view the full product page. When you spot something you want, click the product to open it. Take a moment to review the details carefully. Check the price, the size or count, and the product description so you know what's included. It's also helpful to glance at the star rating and skim a few reviews to confirm quality and fit for your needs. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. After you add an item, a confirmation panel usually appears. If you want to keep shopping, choose Continue Shopping to return to where you left off and repeat the process for any other items you need. Once you're finished adding items, go to your cart by clicking the cart icon at the top of the page. In the cart, review everything one more time. Confirm quantities, remove anything you no longer want, and make sure the subtotal looks right. It's easier to make adjustments here than later. When your cart looks good, click Checkout to proceed. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order. Take a final glance at your selections and totals before you place the order so there are no surprises. That's the basic flow for using Sam's Club online. Search or browse, review items, add to cart, and check out when you're ready. With these steps, you can shop confidently and efficiently every time. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!